Hello and welcome to the Line of Sight. Here are the stories to look forward to this week. BJP not to form government in Maharashtra says don't have numbers. Supreme Court to deliver 4 key judgments this week before Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi retires. Sunni Central Waqf Board to decide on whether to accept the 5-acre land in Ayodhya allotted as per the Supreme Court's verdict. Cyclone Bulbul claims 6 lives in West Bengal to lose intensity in the coming hours. Now the news in detail. The BJP has said that it will not form the government in Maharashtra as it does not have the numbers, and Shiv Sena has refused to ally with it. State BJP President Chandrakant Patel said that the decision has been conveyed to Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, who had invited the Devendra Fadnavis-led party, the largest in the state assembly, to form the government on Saturday. The governor has now asked Shiv Sena to indicate its willingness to form the government and given time till 7:30 p.m. on Monday to respond. The decision will further delay government formation in the state, which has been witnessing a power tussle between allies BJP and Shiv Sena over the sharing of Chief Minister's post despite getting a majority in the recent assembly elections. Sena leader Sanjay Raut and his party chief Uddhav Thackeray will ensure that a Sena MLA becomes the Chief Minister. With just 56 seats, the party will need the support of NCP and Congress to form a majority government. With the Congress having said no to the Sena-led alliance earlier, it remains to be seen who makes the right moves first. After the historic judgment in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid land title dispute, the Supreme Court headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi will deliver 4 other important verdicts this week. The top court will rule on the review petitions in the politically sensitive Rafale deal. The bench had reserved its verdict on petitions seeking CBI inquiry into the allegations of corruption and irregularities in the deal with France for 36 fighter jets. Along with review petitions, the bench will also deliver its verdict on the contempt plea filed by BJP MP Meenakshi Lekhi against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for wrongly attributing to the court his Chaukidar Chor Hai slogan. Another important judgment to be delivered is on the review petitions against the verdict allowing entry of women in Kerala's Sabarimala temple. The 5-judge Constitution bench will also pass judgment on the case whether the Chief Justice of India's office is covered under the purview of the Right to Information Act. The court will also pronounce its verdict on the batch of pleas challenging the constitutional validity of the Finance Act 2017 on the ground that it was passed by the Parliament as a money bill. The Sunni Central Waqf Board will decide on November 26 whether to take the 5-acre land allotted in Ayodhya as per the Supreme Court's verdict. In a unanimous verdict, the Supreme Court on November 10 paved the way for the construction of the Ram temple at the disputed site in Ayodhya, while directing the centre to allot a 5-acre plot to the Sunni Waqf Board for building a mosque. In response to this, the Waqf Board chairman Zafar Farooqi said that a decision on whether to accept the land will be taken at its meeting to be held on November 26. Cyclonic storm Bulbul, which made landfall between West Bengal and Bangladesh coast early around midnight on Saturday, has claimed the lives of 6 people. More than 21 lakh people were evacuated from coastal areas of Bangladesh. The cyclone is set to lose intensity as it moves northeastwards before weakening into a deep depression. The cyclone made landfall between Sagar Islands of West Bengal and Kepwapara in Bangladesh and ravaged southwestern coastlines along India's West Bengal and Odisha, bringing heavy rains. For more news and updates, subscribe to the Federal's YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.